Hi, everybody. I hope you had a chance to sleep in on our snow day. What I want you to do is make sure that you do another attempt at counting number four. And I know that we had some trouble in class with rests and things, so I just want to make sure that I clarify how that works. So I'm going to blow up the screen here so that I can write better. And then I want you to use the counts, or red for the counting, the 1, 2, 3, and 4. And let's go with this one. So we need to put a 1, a 2, a 3, and a 4 in between this to this measure. So there's got to be 1, 2, 3, and 4 in there. There also needs to be an and in between every one and after 4 as well. Just make sure you remember that. Okay, so first of all, let's figure out where the beats are. So this is a half of a beat and a half of a beat. So that's one beat. Right? This is one beat. So I'm going to actually circle the beats before I even do this. Okay, this is a half of a beat and that's a half of a beat. If you want to circle before, that's a good idea. So you know where each beat is, especially when you're dealing with this kind of stuff here where you have these kind of eighth note and eighth rest. So here's beat 1, okay, at the beginning of that circle. There's beat 2, okay. Beat 3 is the beginning of that circle, and beat 4. And to be honest with you, it doesn't matter what you have now in the rest of this measure. You can just put an and in between each one of these and not even care about where that, if it's right or wrong, because it's going to always be right, because your foot always has to go up. Okay, so that's how you would do that measure. Pretty basic if you follow the rules. You got to follow the rules that I'm talking about, okay? Um, Now we need to go to one of them that has this kind of rest. I know that we had questions about this, where you have a half rest. How do we do that one? Okay, again, between this line and this line, you need to have a 1, a 2, a 3, and a 4. Okay, so I'm going to circle. So this is going to be beat 1 and 2. All right, so there's beat 1 and that's 2 circles actually. It should be 2 circles. And then here's a circle because that takes all of beat 3. And that takes all of beat 4. Now this is a half rest. It's worth 2 beats. So we're going to put a 1 and a 2. There's a rest, 3, that's a quarter rest, and there's a 4, that's a quarter note. Okay, so now you know that you have to put parentheses. Oh, actually, let's go to the pluses first. I'm sorry. Let's do the pluses first. That's where some of us get screwed up. Okay, so, all right, I put the 1, 2, 3, and 4. We'll do the parentheses last. Okay, again, all you have to do is just put a plus in between each number. That's it. That's all you have to do. Some of you the other day when I was watching you doing the counting did not put a plus after the 4. Well, your foot still has to go up after 4, so you put a plus there. Okay, so that's almost done. Now, I like to use like green or something, a different color, to indicate the parentheses. So you're going to be resting from there all the way to there. So just put a parenthesis from there all the way to there. That's all you have to do. That's it. So good luck, you guys, and make sure that you are careful with everything and follow those easy steps, and you should have no problem doing this assignment 100%. Have a great day, everyone.